is the meaning of KKK?
Kataasan.
Ikaw, basag ka.
Kagagnaan.
Tarong nga, uy.
Wait sa... Kataasan, kagaanan, katipunan ng anak ng bayan.
Balik ka, what is the meaning of KKK?
Kataasan ng
Kataas-taasang.
kataas ng
Kagalang-galang.
kalagang katipunan ng anak ng bayan.
Okay. Who founded the KKK?
Andres Bonifacio.
Okay. Who was the first elected president sa KKK?
Andres
It's not Andres.
I don't know.
Hello. It's Deodato Arellano.
Who's that?
The first elected president sa KKK.
Hi.
Okay. So, who wrote, what is the Cartilia?
Holy Bible.
It's not
For
the whole,
the
it's a guide.
KKK.
It's a guide.
That's what my teacher
The
said.
teacher said, okay. It's a guidebook for the Katipuneros or Katipuneras. Who wrote the Cartilia ng Katipunan?
Emilio Jacinto.
The Katipunan was built or like gihimo siya, gifound siya kay nanuman para unsa?
For freedom for the country.
Independence of the country. Nganong mangita mo tag freedom? Ngano day kisa may nag
Spanish friars.
colonize na to Spanish friars. So colonize ta sa mga Spaniards.
Mga
Giun sa man ni pag-discover ang Katipunan. It was discovered by the Spaniards on August
28.
August 19.
Oh, see, I'm so close.
August 19, 1896. Dayon, unsa man ilang giingon nga blood compact? Ayun dito ingon. Blood compact.
Romance.
Dili lagi na bromance. Sige na.
Relationship.
A relationship between
Two big black guys.
it's a Filipino.
Mga kuan ba, like mga kings or the leaders, like, pa! Like, let's do it. Pa!
Di ba ang blood? Then sometimes gina-drink ba nila ang blood?
Oh, they
If
do.
dili drink,
The bet is not gonna kuan.
the rituals not gonna happen or the okay lang friendship. So what is scary? Unsa man yung revolution? What is revolution?
Revolution is... Asa daw gikon?
Di ba gingunan ako nimo nga nam kita Independence Day? Kaya
Yes.
it's because
honors.
revolution. Oh yeah. Nag-revolution atong gi-fight ang freedom para ma-change or i-change na to ang government kay para makagain taog. Pag mo na